Damn, you said the whole song. He did that, let go. I'ma be honest.
What is?
These niggas ain't fucking with me.
For real?
It's on me.
Alright.
Why they competing this shit? Watch these.
Let me crank back up, start popping my shit like bottles. All in club turned up, we ballin'. Trends I settle, my people gon' follow. KB Black, young straight from the bottom. Making my move, I'm solid my problems. Money keep calling me. This ain't coming for show. Nah, these niggas ain't fucking with me. Let me crank back up, start popping my shit like bottles. All in club turned up, we ballin'. Trends I settle, my people gon' follow. KB Black, young straight from the bottom. Making my move, I'm solid my problems. Money keep calling me. This ain't coming for show. Nah, these niggas ain't fucking with me. I'm back on my shit, ain't no stopping me. I had to get myself right consistently. These niggas envy me, no need for friending me. Stay out the way, protecting my energy. KB on chasing that paper. Fuck a handout or a favor. I been dropping hits with no label. Invest in my cross so I paid for it. This sound coming, we lie like unlaid bad jet chillin' while I count this money. My future so bright, let it shine like a sunny day. Yeah, okay. People switch sides, so I fall back on the road, get long, we all on your own. But I focus on the moves I made. Taking risks, gotta make some shape. This for the people who with me and know all the hate that's against me, but KB not tripping though. I'm on a new level, they can't even reach it so hard, man, it's so difficult. No competition at all, these niggas ain't fucking with me. Why they compete? Especially when it comes to a feature on killing shit, just pay up their fee. Let me crank back up, start popping my shit like bottles. All in club turned up, we ballin'. Trends I settle, my people gon' follow. KB Black, young straight from the bottom. Making my move, I'm solid my problems. Money keep calling me. This ain't coming for show. Now these niggas ain't fucking with me. Let me crank back up, start popping my shit like bottles. All in club turned up, we ballin'. Trends I settle, my people gon' follow. KB Black, young straight from the bottom. Making my move, I'm solid my problems. Money keep calling me. This ain't coming for show. Now these niggas ain't fucking with me. Roll me a blunt, I got drink in my cup. Take me a sip, then I post on my wall. Yeah, you know I feel it. Yeah, I'm fool with shit so silly, but I handle it business though. Green light, man, that's a go. KB stay active, I'm stuck in that mode. I been dropping heat on these niggas, I'm cold. But anyway, I do it with ease, no problem, say. KB on the grind like every day. Leave that bullshit behind me, out my way. I'm straight from the bottle, popping my shit like bottles. Stream seller, they gon' follow. Money keep calling me, I'm headed that way. Making plays, yeah, I do it my way. In my city, all they do is show hate and fake love. Keep it out of my face, no handouts. KB working my nigga, I remember them days I was hurt. Down bad, made me feel even worse. Now I'm all in my bag, yeah. Had to get out my ass, yeah. And stick to the plan, yeah. Let me crank back up, start popping my shit like bottles. All in club turned up, we ballin'. Trends I settle, my people gon' follow. KB Black, young straight from the bottom. Making my move, I'm solid my problems. Money keep calling me. This ain't coming for show. Now these niggas ain't fucking with me. Let me crank back up, start popping my shit like bottles. All in club turned up, we ballin'. Trends I settle, my people gon' follow. KB Black, young straight from the bottom. Making my move, I'm solid my problems. Money keep calling me. This ain't coming for show. Now these niggas ain't fucking with me. Like money keep calling me. We ballin', nigga. On baller, niggas ain't fucking with me. Straight from the bottom, nigga. All of my money keep calling me. Coming. Now these niggas ain't fucking with me.